Hi, I'm Brenda. Welcome to Canon Apron. Today I'm going to make a chili lime mango rice. You know what goes well with that? Chili lime chicken. Grilled. Come on. I am using the boiling bagged minute rice. Got it in there doing its thing. Over here I have a red pepper. I'm going to use half red pepper, a slice of purple, red, whatever, onion. I have a green onion that I'm going to use, a whole, the juice of a whole lime, and one mango. And this is serving for 3, maybe 4. 2, depends on how you want to break it down. And I'm also going to be using this chili lime seasoning. Oh, and cilantro. So, let's get started. I'm going to dice up the vegetables. Be sure you always wash your fruits and vegetables, which I've already done. This mango is not as ripe as I had hoped it would be. It felt nice and soft in the store, but after I brought it home and put it in the fridge, not as much. But it's okay. Should still taste fine. Let me just see. Yeah, that'll be just fine. I like to get as much of it off as possible because it has that big pit in the middle. You definitely want to make sure you have a more ripe mango than this one was. I like it when they're very, very soft and juicy. But, you know, sometimes you take what they offer. To the grocery, you don't, unless you have a mango tree, you don't have much choice. In my area, anyway. Alright. Now we're going to pitch in the mango. Very pretty. Full of color. Lime. The juice of 1. You can do it like that. Or you can do it like this. I think I like doing it like this part. some cilantro. Just to taste, whatever your taste is for it. If you don't like cilantro, then don't put it in there. Same with this chili lime seasoning. Put it to your taste. Now, let me get this rice drained off. Alright. I'm just going to pour that in there. And it'll cook down those veggies just a little bit because it is hot. Let's give it a stir. It has a fresh, delicious flavor about it with all of these veggies and the mango and that lime juice. Yes. Your rice is going to soak up the lime juice. So, okay, now there we go. Now you can serve this cold or hot, either way. And next we're going to go out and grill our chicken. It's chicken breasts with chili lime seasoning. That's all that is. And we're going to grill that. And then we'll be back to plate it up and give it a taste. Okay, it's time to go ahead and finish prepping our chicken. This is the chili lime chicken. I forgot to tell you all, you do want to put about half a tablespoon of honey in the rice mixture, the mango rice mixture. So don't forget your honey. I've already put mine in, so. Okay. These are a little bit thick, so I'm probably going to cut them down a bit in size, so especially so that they'll go ahead and cook quickly while it's not raining. So I had to put on long sleeves, y'all. I put me on long sleeves and some pants, just some, around the house pants, but still. I put those on at probably 11 o'clock today because this rain came in and it just made things so cold. So cold. Okay. Let's see here. Yeah. I just like to cut these little bits off of here and the fat away. I don't particularly like it, so just be really careful when you do this. You want to cut it, as centered as you can. There we go. And then I'll just take this and put some on the other half. Grab the other one off. Do the same thing. Chicken's all done. I'm sorry, my battery ran down on my camera while I was filming that for you all, but I let this sit here and now it's still warm but cooled down for the most part, so that we don't, it's called our gizzard, right? But it's warm enough for me to handle. I've already got Tom a bowl ready here, and he's standing there holding his fork waiting. Look at that. And I should imagine it's going to taste as good as it looks. Let's find out.
Alright, here we go. A piece of this chicken. Get the rest of this om nom on the fork here. Oh yeah, y'all. She did it again. Amazing. Thank you.
All right, well there you go. Grilled chili lime chicken served over a mango salsa rice. Give it a try. If you like mango, like I said, and you like lime, chicken, rice, red peppers, onions, ooh, it's gonna be good. Let's eat. If you have not subscribed yet, I hope that you will. I hope you'll click the subscription button, notification bell. Thumbs up if you like this video. Y'all take care. I'll see you next time. Bye.